This is lab 8 of my board. I have the board connected to my computer here. I have the ground wire connected to the board. We have all the pins connected, so this is PE0. We have the 3.3 volts right there. We have our voltage monitor, and then we also have the PB1 or whatever is the input, the PE1. That's the input, and then PD3 is the monitor. So PD3 goes to monitor the output voltage, and PE1 is going to the LED. So for this, I know that the 3.3 voltage is going into this rail. The voltage goes across to this switch. Now once we press this switch, it's going to close the connection. Some power is going to go down to ground. The rest of it is going to go into our PB3 or PE0. So once it goes into PE0, it's going to output to our LED right here. So closing it down, the switch will toggle once I run it in my actual code. So I can't do that with two hands. I'm going to put the camera down really quick. And I am in my while loop. I just stepped through my code, went into the if statement, stepped over the delay, stepped into here. The LED is still on. Once I press it, and I have stepped over once again, so using that stepped over here, the LED turns off. Now I'm going to let that go. I'm going to step over again, stepping here, nothing happens. Stepping again, I should fall into, well, I'll check the if statement, nothing is going to happen because the switch is not pressed. Going into the else statement now, the LED should be on once I step over again. So I'm going to step over and the LED turns on. So that is the board for this lab. And if I go out of the debug, it would work that same way. So just leaving debug mode, I am going to go onto the board itself. I'm going to press and hold and it flashes. So that's how that would work for this lab on the real board.